today I wanted to tell everyone how to sign up for Schoology. Again, if you had me last year, you should already have a Schoology account. If you are a sixth grader, however, you're going to need to make sure you watch this video to figure out how to sign up for Schoology. So if you go to Google Classroom, I'm going to use the example as if I am a sixth grader in period 2, but you would just choose whatever Google Classroom you are in for me. So if you are in sixth grade and you are in period 2, you're going to click on that. You're going to go to classwork. Remember, here at the bottom, if you watch my previous video, all of these topics are going to be important for you to know, but this important website's down here at the bottom. There's going to be a bunch of different websites here that I went over in my first video I sent out to all of you. Schoology is right here. You're going to click on that, and there's a couple of different links here. First, I want you to click on the learning management system. That will bring you to the actual website for Schoology. If you already have an account, which you shouldn't really be watching this video. If you do, you would just click log in. But if you're in the right place, you should be here on this screen. You're going to click on sign up. You are a student, so you're going to click on student. It will bring you to this page right here where it says sign up for Schoology. This is where you need to go back to Google Classroom. You need to click on Schoology class codes. It's also linked here underneath where it says Schoology under the important websites on Google Classroom. After you click on that website, it's going to bring you up to a page that looks exactly like this. Now, it's going to be very important that you use the correct code. Okay, I have listed all of the different periods in which I teach. Okay, so since I am acting like I am in sixth grade and I'm in period 2, hence the P2 here in the parentheses, I'm going to copy and paste this code right here. So I'm going to take that code, I'm going to go back to where it says sign up for Schoology and it says access code, and I'm going to put that code right there. After I have that code copied and pasted into this website, I'm going to click on continue. Now, let's say my name is, I'm just going to use my actual name, Calvin Miller. I'm going to put my email address. You would obviously put your own email address. Now, for your password, if I were you, I would use the same password that you use to log into your computer so that you don't forget it. As long as it's something that you won't forget, that's what I want you to use for your password. I'm going to use the password that I use to sign in to my computer. You have to type that in twice. Now, this is very important here for you sixth graders to know. Where it says birthday, I know you're going to want to put your own birthday. It makes sense. But you can put your own month. You can put your own day. But for the year, it's going to be important that you choose something to make you at least, I think it's 16 years old or older. Okay, so you can choose any of these dates. Just make sure that you don't choose anything above 2004. Okay, so if you wanted to do 1994, which is when I was born, go for it. But you need to make sure that you choose a date in which makes you 16 years old or older. Now you have to click on this box right here. It says by clicking register, you are agreeing to the privacy policy and terms of use. You need to make sure you click that. If you don't click that and you click register, you're going to have to fill out all of this all over again. Now click register, and whoops, I already have an account, so I'm just going to use a different email. You might have to do this exact same thing. Again, birthday, date, make sure you choose 1994 or older, and then click on register. There we go. Now it will bring you to a page that looks like this. Remember, you can click save, so then you don't have to type in your email and password in every single time you come to Schoology or whenever we have to take a test. So I would click save if I were you. Now click on courses, and my course should already be there as long as you put in the correct class code. Remember, the class codes are right here. Because I was acting like I was in sixth grade and in period 2, I used this code right here. As long as you put in the correct code, Whenever I go back here, it should say your correct class period that you have me for science. So if you go ahead and click on that, you'll see that I already have a pretest here. That is going to be what we are going to do on Friday. If you get signed up for that today on the first day of school, then you should be ready to rock and roll for our pretest on Friday. Okay, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. If you're here in school, obviously it'll be easier for me to help you. But if you are at home and you are unable to sign up for this and you're running into some problems, rewatch the video or shoot me an email and I'll be happy to help. Thanks.